Okay, I want to show you our recipe collection feature. Now, the first thing you need to do is log in. If you haven't registered already, you can create a free account right here. After you log in, it will say log out in the menu bar. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to save recipes to your personal recipe collection. Every recipe card has a save button. If you click the save button, it'll automatically save it to your recipe collection box. If you click the save button one more time, it'll take you right to your recipe collections. Another way to find your recipe collections is to click My Recipes in the menu bar at the top. That takes you right to your recipe collections. Now this is a recipe collection. I can create as many collections as I want. You can click into it to see the recipes that you saved. You can adjust the servings. If you click the three dots, you can view the recipe card. You can duplicate the item. You can remove it, or you can change servings either from the little three dots or just hit the little plus and minus signs to change the servings. You can create as many recipe collections as you want. Collections are like a digital recipe box where you can organize your recipes and your meal plans. Now I'm going to create a few more collections to give you an example of how you can use it. Okay, I've created 3 more. I have a collection for fast weeknight dinners, some one-pan dinners, and some Sunday dinner recipes. I'm going to make one more collection to show you how this can work. Click on Empty Collection, and you can name this anything you want. Click into the recipe box, and now under Recipes, you can click Add Item. You can add from the collections that you've already saved. I'm going to save this chorizo shrimp pasta, and you can click Add Item to add more. This time, I'm going to search the website. You can type in the search bar, and you can continue to load recipes that are on our site. I'm going to click on this salmon with mustard sauce. So you can continue to add as many recipes as you want. To get back to your collections, click on your collections and it brings you back to this page. Now, another feature is you can create meal plans. If you click on our 7-day meal plan template, you can name that anything you want. Then click on the template. This template includes all 7 days of the week with spaces for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. But you don't have to fill out the entire template. Click on any day that you want to add a recipe and search for a recipe. So here I have a meal plan that's mapping out breakfast and dinner for 4 days a week. I'm going to leave the other 3 days blank since I don't want to plan them. Another feature is that you can add a note to any of the categories. Click Add Note, and you can tag your notes with a color. And don't forget, you can adjust servings by clicking the plus and minus button. And if you decide you don't want an item, you can remove it. Once you have your meal plan set, you can generate a shopping list. The little shopping cart in the top, click on that. If you made ingredient notes, click to include those and select the days that you want to shop for. I'm going to select all the days. And here you'll see a preview of all the days and recipes that you're generating a shopping list for. Click on Generate Shopping List. If you want to edit your shopping list, go to the top where it says Edit Shopping List, and you can delete the items that you don't need to purchase, and you can also add items. So if you even want to add non-grocery items, you can add extra items onto your shopping list. When you're done editing, click the Stop Editing button. Your shopping list is ready to print. Click the little print icon. If you don't want the photos to print, click the little collection icon at top. All the icons will disappear and they won't print with your shopping list. Another easy way to create meal plans is to use our pre-made meal plan templates. Click on any of our meal plans that we've made and click on Save to My Collections. That will save it to a new collection. If you click on that collection, you'll see all the recipes that are in that meal plan. You can move recipes around by grabbing the little 2 bars in the corner, or you can remove items and replace them with something else you want. Don't forget, you can increase servings and you can add notes. Another handy feature I want to show you is that you can save recipes even if they aren't on our site. I'm going to name this collection Personal Recipes. Once you click into that collection box, click Add Item and click Add Custom Recipe. You can color code it if you want, and then click Add Custom Recipe. To get back to your collections, click here. If you want to add one of your personal recipes to a meal plan, you can easily do that by clicking Add Item, click Add from Collection, find the collection in this bar, and then you can add that personal recipe. I hope you enjoy this feature. Take your time exploring it, and if you ever get stuck, you'll find more tips and help guides on the site.